What's up guys, Luca on the go here. So today we're gonna talk about mobile videography, mobile filmmaking, mobile cinematography, whatever you guys want to call it. Oreo is here playing with me, so yeah, let's just go out and shoot some stuff. So today, like I said before, we are going to talk about mobile photography. We are here at the Olympic Park that they built for the 2016 Olympic Games, and I will be using an iPhone 11 Pro and then also a DJI Osmo Mobile 4 just to help in kind of stabilizing the footage. And I'm also using a GoPro Hero 7, which I'm using to film this right now, just to kind of shoot the stuff that I actually have to show the phone and everything. So let's get started. Okay, so here on the native camera app, you have, when you're videoing, you have different options. So here you can change lenses and zoom. This phone has 3 different lenses, so you have the 2x and the normal one, and the 0.5, which is kind of more angular. You also have the different modes that the phone can shoot. So you have time-lapse, slow motion, the regular video photo mode, portrait mode, and the panoramic mode. And then on the top right corner, you can choose the resolution. You have HD and 4K, and next to it you will see a little number. It's the frame rate. So you can choose 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. We'll use the 60 frames per second if we want to do a 50% slow motion. But if you want to do a slower shot, then we'll use the slow motion function on the camera app, because it can shoot up to 240 frames per second. And then the last thing I kind of want to talk about is it's very important to lock your exposure and your focus, because if you shift the phone's position, the phone will automatically adjust the exposure, and then on your video it will look weird because you have different exposures to the same object. It's very simple to do. You just press and hold on the object you want to focus, and then you will see a little sun, and then you slide that sun down or up. Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to say about mobile filmmaking. I found this little quiet space in the shade because the sun is just too strong. But this is the proof that you don't need a lot of expensive equipment to start doing videos. And I would also suggest that you get a tripod and a gimbal. I am using the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. I recommend it. I have a full video review of this gimbal here in the channel, which I will leave in the card above, and I will also leave some links in the description where you can get the tripod and the gimbal. So if you like this video, consider leaving a thumbs up, subscribe. I will post videos every single week. Also, if you want to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, it's Luca on the go. I will leave the handles here, and I'll see you on the next video.